Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is Dr. Fish Ice Fishing Rod. The set is designed for easy transport, with the backpack chair functioning as a multi-purpose storage unit. Everything you need can fit neatly into the backpack, making it ideal for mobile ice anglers who like to switch locations without hauling bulky equipment. Both the rod and reel are built to withstand freezing temperatures. The rod remains flexible and strong, even in extreme cold, while the reel is designed to resist ice buildup, which can be a common issue when ice fishing. The ice fishing rod included in this set is lightweight yet durable, designed to handle the cold weather and extreme conditions of ice fishing. The reel is smooth and functional, offering solid drag control, which is critical when handling fish in icy waters. The rod sensitivity is excellent for detecting subtle bites, especially from species like crappie and perch. The Dr. Fish Ice Fishing Rod and Reel combo is a well-rounded kit, perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers. It offers everything you need in one package, from a solid rod and reel to jigs, lures, and a convenient backpack chair. Our second best ice fishing gear is KastKing Ice River Fishing Gloves. The KastKing Ice River Fishing Gloves are an excellent choice for anglers who need reliable hand protection during cold weather fishing. Designed for ice fishing and other outdoor winter sports, these gloves are made to withstand harsh conditions while keeping your hands warm and dry. These gloves are built to handle extreme cold, offering thermal insulation to keep your hands warm. Even in freezing temperatures, the gloves provide effective warmth without compromising on mobility. The adjustable wrist cuffs help seal out cold air and moisture, ensuring a snug fit that keeps your hands protected. This feature also prevents snow or water from getting inside the gloves, further enhancing their comfort. The grip is effective, helping you maintain control of your fishing gear even when conditions are wet or icy. The gloves offer just enough flexibility to perform most tasks without removing them, though for very fine movements you might find taking them off easier. The KastKing Ice River Fishing Gloves are a solid choice for anyone braving cold weather for outdoor activities. With waterproofing, great insulation and durability, they're ideal for ice fishing or other winter sports. The gloves strike a good balance between warmth, flexibility and protection, making them a worthwhile addition to your winter gear. Third choice in our list is Piscifun Fishing Line Winder Spooler Spinning Reel. The Piscifun spooler is designed for simplicity. It features a straightforward setup that allows you to easily attach your reel and line spool without complicated instructions. The adjustable arms accommodate various spool sizes, ensuring versatility for all your fishing needs. Built with high-quality materials, the Piscifun spooler is durable and designed to withstand regular use. The sturdy base ensures stability during operation, preventing any wobbling or movement while spooling. The Piscifun spooler is compatible with a wide range of fishing reels, including spinning, bait casting, and conventional reels. This makes it a versatile addition to your fishing toolkit. The Piscifun fishing line winder spooler machine is a fantastic investment for any angler looking to enhance their fishing experience. Its user-friendly design, smooth operation, and sturdy build make it a reliable tool for spooling line efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this spooler will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what you love most: fishing. The Piscifun fishing line. Number 4 in our side is THK-FISH Ice Fishing Lures. The performance of the THK Fish ice fishing lures has received positive feedback from anglers who appreciate their effectiveness on the ice. Many users have reported great success in attracting fish, particularly during the winter months when fish can be more challenging to locate. The versatility of the lures allows anglers to adapt their strategies based on the behavior of the fish and the conditions on the ice. Made from high-quality materials, these lures are built to withstand the harsh conditions of ice fishing. The sturdy hooks are sharp and strong, ensuring they can handle the fight of a big catch without bending or breaking. The THK Fish Kit includes a range of lure designs, from classic jigs to innovative shapes, each tailored for specific fishing conditions and target species. The assortment allows anglers to experiment and find the most effective options for their local waters. The THK Ice Fishing Lures Kit is an essential collection for any ice angler, offering a versatile range of jigs and lures designed to attract a variety of freshwater fish, including walleye, crappie, panfish, and pike. With options available in sets of 14, 26 or 40 pieces, this kit is perfect for both novice and experienced fishermen looking to enhance their ice fishing arsenal. Last in our top 5 best ice fishing gear list is Mateen Fishing Backpack. The Mateen Fishing Backpack Tackle Box is an excellent option for anglers seeking a practical and versatile solution for organizing and transporting their fishing gear. This water-resistant backpack offers an array of features that make it a standout choice for both casual and serious fishermen alike. Users of the Mateen Fishing Backpack have praised its functionality and ease of use. The ample storage space allows for organization without clutter, while the cooler compartment and rod holders enhance the overall fishing experience. Many anglers appreciate how lightweight and comfortable it is, making it easy to carry all day. Constructed with durable, water-resistant fabric, this backpack ensures your gear stays dry in unpredictable weather. Whether you're out on a rainy day or dealing with splashes from the water, the Mateen backpack offers peace of mind.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.